How you start your morning can change your whole day. If you wake up late, you're rushing around and you leave the house with toothpaste on your jumper and no breakfast, you're already feeling stressed before the day's even started. But when you wake up, look after yourself and start the day on purpose, you feel ready, you feel calm, you feel like you've got this. Let's have a little think, pajamas versus ready. Have you ever noticed how you feel when you stay in your pajamas until midday? Like on a lazy weekend, you're slumped on the sofa, not really doing much, maybe thinking, oh, I'll just have a in day today. Ooh, where's my duvet? You feel really low energy and slumpy and slow. But what about when you actually get up, get washed, put clothes on? Nothing fancy, just ready. Suddenly, you don't feel all mopey. You're thinking, okay, I'm dressed, I'm up, what are we doing? Let's go. That's the shift. That's where it starts. Let's go through the 7 simple steps to switch your brain and body on in the mornings. And don't worry if it sounds like a lot to remember. I've made a healthy morning routine chart that shows you each step. You can just follow it along and flip each up as you go along in the day. It's easy, fun, and makes you feel really proud every morning. You can grab it in the description. Okay, firstly, drink water. It sounds simple, but it switches your brain and your body on. Especially after sleeping all night, your brain needs the fuel and the water is the first switch. Do a really quick job, something really easy, tidy some clothes, pull open your curtains or make your bed. It gives you your very first win of the day and it makes you feel like you can achieve anything. Get ready like a boss. Wash your face, brush your teeth. A bright smile, a fresh face means a bright day. You're taking care of yourself and people notice that. If you want to learn more about how others treat you based on how you show up, watch our Halo Effect video coming up next. Wear something you feel comfortable and confident in. You don't have to dress fancy, just clothes that make you feel good and think, I can do anything. Get moving. Your body is like a battery. If you want it fully charged, you've got to move. Do a stretch, a star jump, a little happy dance, even tidying up your room counts. Just make sure you do it really fast. Movement gives you a buzz. It's like activating your power mode. Gratitude. Being grateful really gives you an open, happy heart. Say one thing that you're grateful for out loud. You can write it in a journal, draw it, or just share it with someone in your family. It helps your brain focus on what's good in your life. So you start the day feeling really thankful and positive. Some me time. Before the world gets really loud, take a quiet moment just for yourself. Draw something, read a book, listen to calm music or something you love. Whatever helps you reset your brain and clear your head. A quiet mind equals a full battery. Eat smart. Cereal might taste good, but it's often full of loads of processed sugar, and that makes your brain crash later on. Try something like fruit, eggs, toast with peanut butter or yogurt. Protein and good food help your brain stay focused and happy for much longer. You don't have to do all of this perfectly, but you do need to start pouring into yourself so the day doesn't empty you before you even begun. Work out how much time you need in the morning to do all of this, and try not to start your day so rushed. You deserve a calm, proud, powerful start to the day. You're not just getting ready, you're showing up for yourself, and that changes everything. If you want to follow this routine easily, you can grab the printable chart I made, linked below. It's designed so you can flip through it each morning and feel good about ticking each step off. And if you want to see how all this connects to confidence and how people treat you, watch this Halo Effect video here. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you have a great day.